It's here for Samoba Kaya. I think close to a week. Me the story be a bremo of lady be your friend Vera Edu. Na lady we a very young lady. With 21 years. Now story I made the bremo ne say ne boyfriend a poison no. Lady no wafemu ewu. Answer never to us on the subscribe and click the notification bell on so am I. We are the latest post be about one sabekan. Say follow me. Obeka is story no na me say boy no what is so to my lady no wako boy na chain ene nyama say me explain ni akyem mamuni amoti ase na me try mo say asem no ye ni edietwe na if more issues but because that time na ye nim de ekun ana de boy no sebe wo poison lady no ekun no na me try mo say me ni edi asem na chi na therefore I've gotten the latest gist on this particular story na de yatse ene say lady no na yebeka say wo cheati e wo guy no so guy no senya me din kan no what is so to lady guy no ye 29 years and a lady no wono wo ye 21 na Vera Edu ye nkrofo kan say na guy no suspect say lady we cheati won so and na lady no wa ye na adwen say wo ba be guy no kra ati ase. Now, me the reaction from lady ne papa Ebremo so I did na me report it on that news no. Me the reaction no Ebremo say ne papa can say lady ne ye na dwen say wo kokuru kesim na che say wako find greener pastures aba. Say me the me story bia me so me tie so of a similar story about Barbie ko kaswa and also nsem koto no. I have an article here from yen.com the lady the whole issue what actually happened. Now we also hear from the lady's family in sema womoka afa we what they also know. Into no washa sisi the airband say Vera Edu was allegedly poisoned to death by boyfriend for cheating on him. Now a transfer was say a young lady Vera Edu has died after taking concoction from her boyfriend. Not just a boyfriend no, you can't concussion I say what ye nyama bi that you say what the way bomu the nyama bi bomu and I what the man a year lady no. Now Vera died after being rushed to the hospital following her injection of the concussion. And then some made the brem say so I didn't made the picture but the picture was too gory. I just put it on the thumbnail. Now me show picture of police PR now walkasa. And I focus we are not seeing the picture of the lady. We are not seeing the picture of the lady. I think the proper picture of the lady and then that screen so here. But that picture now last me the two thumbnail it was a picture of the lady and Brianna Wewu. Until I didn't want to disrespect her that way. What you say? Just was saying the boyfriend has been arrested and is assisting the police in investigations. A young lady identified as Vera Edu has met her untimely death after allegedly being poisoned by her own boyfriend at Swoot home in Accra. MSSR reporting the deceased, who is 21 years old, died after being rushed to the La Paz Community Hospital on August 21st, 2019. Now, Vera's family, a report cited on dailyguidenetwork.com, has revealed that the young lady fell unconscious after drinking a concussion given to her by her boyfriend. Not just a young lady, very young, beautiful. That screening him no. Yes, dear, the family can and it's a young lady no. One num a year a draw and I nyama na the boy no aka frano. What the chiana no num ya na why would toe from unconscious. That is a at the end no ding. Hey. I say the father of the deceased, Jerry Edu, explained that his daughter has been in a relationship with a suspect for about 5 months. That is a young lady ne papa kano wonim a young lady no ne ups and downs. Na ne papa can say wono the wonim ne say ne bano date a branch away for 5 months. Na masa now 5 months by a date ni be jawa. After the poison. Sami yade. 5 months pay. Hey, masa, no more you date you 2, 3, 5 years. You promise you more our niana. Nini ye beja omo, and I need ye beja omo ne. Woman and common yading. Now 5 months pay. Masa, Abrante ne de if indeed police for ehwehwem no mu hu say he's at fault and no in a year BBC ya I think the law needs to deal with him severely. They be ameka say wo hwe Abrante bi am subscribe to the YouTube channel through Magraheb your friend no say Kate at the park. They be a video asema what can say mabone empim bebia edru nkrofo bi wo ho a wo mutumi control mo anger chese Abrante ya na nse yakọche ne kra se wabo police wo mienu tuo no nini aye bufuo se police ni ne bo wasomi nti no udi ebufa kofa etuo akobo police no what say we so eye bufuo Abrante no se what say lady no wo chiti wo so ana lady no wo pese wo jaiwa masa jai ne adan na wukoku no una wo no wukoku no masa now ye chiti also awu masa cheating na eden and then me who doesn't cheat on who na cheating get na obeku ni pa masa na ye say ye ku omo cheat won grofo so na gaga na ye say enkofo betena say aware fro ka ye cheat now common boyfriend girlfriend 5 months keke ye cheat also I say ukun oba no masa sansem we dey yen so me dey personally mean so I don't know what you think but me mean so now was it on the fateful day Vera and the boyfriend went out together and returned to the house in the afternoon. Not just as a day now, Abrante and the year, Yankuma de concussion, or mixing Yama Biama, or Banese or no. Or Banane guy in the car APA. Now, one pay and a woman by Abrante and the fee, a reanimu. Now, Ababa wano Edda Kakra were rested for about 30 minutes. And a boyfriend no Eba inside, Bibiana or Bano Edda. Now when you is your boy in the field, it's a boyfriend the bar inside no, and will crab to be and I the ma or bano. That's ya say. Now it's here for the AC and they say what the bottle the can will wear what the more band wear no. And I was also at the ma wabano ninya ketwa because now bani ninya ketwa I want in chain. Wabani ninya ketwa say one got two bottle name chini. There's a water bottle na man ninya no me no. Was also the bottle na manini aketwano so one got to bottle nchene. Now moment after getting the bottle disposed of the young man left the house leaving the deceased alone in the room. What you say nti what the bottle ne ma ababa wano wonnom ya what the ketwano so ema nini aketwano say one got to nchene no e no Abrante no wo fifi o share that pie nti 30 minutes later and a very efre nini aketwa no na waka kire say wo feel weak onim de ye no wo feel weak all of a sudden I say like to me nyehwe nti ahọ na ye rush na ekọ hospital na omokọ hospital no na wo moko make a report into to the police say na esi ati ase na the 29-year-old boyfriend no police for answer ekoso ni mu ena say ninya aketwa no koto bottle ne twene ye ni ntino ninya aketwa no nani bebi a wode bottle no koto ye ena police for ne twene ne say bottle no wode koto hin ko fabra ne yenhwe nti okofa bottle ne bae ena still say bottle no de say yemfa ne say cook uhwe ninya kra eye den kra na kete bi be wom wati ase nti police for so ensa kasa kete no wom no mu hu say Abrante we diewu omo hu say Abrante we diewu papa it's here for and no any story ye dey aba no confirmation a yenya nti no send ya medin kan chel no this is the full story now the law actually has to take or Yabeka said the law has to take its position what you say because they be ayaka say ukwachi say will be elbow no kra na say democracy ayedi yeti akosha ase ni nti no ye say court in declare ni pa kono sebe wo ya kronfo a wuntumi embo ne kronfo as a Ghana hana mra enye djuma so yes Abrante no ewom say bottle no ono no ne koma wo ba no owie no de ma oba ni nua say won koto ntwene and what not but according to the law no the guy is not guilty yet. He's just a suspect. And you know, yeah, court case ne back na the lawyers ne beka na die be kwa kosibia no mo nim se mede ebebrem internet for mo ntwe mo adwen e comment box ti mo meda ase